Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to move around in Linux directories. Think about it like exploring folders in Windows, but here we use the terminal. When you open the terminal, you are usually inside your home folder. In Windows this is like C users and your name. In Linux it's home and your name. To check where you are, use pwd. It means print working directory. It will show you the address of your current folder. To see what's inside the folder, use ls. This is like opening a folder in Windows Explorer and seeing all the files. You can also add -l flag with this command for more details, or -a flag to see hidden files. In Linux, hidden files start with a dot. But why we are hiding them? Think about Windows. There you also have hidden files like desktop.ini or system volume information. Normal users don't need to see or touch them. They are mostly for the system. In Linux it's the same. Hidden files usually store settings and configurations for programs. They are hidden so you don't delete or change them by mistake. If you need them, you can see them with -a flag with ls. Or you can use both L and A flag like this. So you see all details and hidden files. Okay. To move into another folder, use cd command. Let's see what's inside our current folder. I want to cd into important directory. Now we are inside important directory. To go back one step, you can use two dots. This is like pressing the back arrow in Windows Explorer. You can use only cd without any arguments or flags to cd into your home folder. Now I'm in root, because I'm a root user. Here is a nice trick. Start typing the folder name and press tab. Linux will autocomplete it for you. This is super helpful and saves time. Now we know how to move around folders in Linux. Let's learn how to create, copy, rename and delete files and directories. Basically the same things you do in Windows, but with commands. In Windows you right-click and choose new file. In Linux, in the terminal you can type touch command and create a file like my file. This creates an empty file named my file. Think of it as a blank paper in your folder. Let's see our file. Here is it. In Windows you do new folder. In Linux type mkdir. This makes a new directory. We can name our directory new directory. And now in our folder we have another folder, new directory. In Windows you do Ctrl+C or Ctrl+V. In Linux use the cp command. Here is the example. cp my file with name my file copy. Now in our directory we have my file and my file copy. You can also copy to another folder like cp my file new directory. And now if we move to new directory, we will see my file. Let's go back. In Windows you right-click, rename or drag files to another folder. In Linux both actions are done with mv command. We can rename my file with my file 2. And now we will check my file now called my file 2. Or we can move the file into another folder like mv file2, new directory. And now when we do a cd to new directory, we see my file2 here. In Windows you press delete or move to recycle bin. In Linux be careful, delete is permanent. To delete a file we use a rem command like remove. I want to remove my file2. Now let's check, we have deleted my file2. Or we can delete a directory and everything inside. Like here, let's cd into important directory. Here we see new directory. We can remove it by typing error with error flag, and then we have to type directory name. And that's how to delete the directories. Important thing that in Linux we don't have recycle bin. Once deleted, it's gone. Just be careful. Now I want to show you a little trick how to move up through directories. Not just one, but 2, 3 or more levels. Let's see. We are inside root important directory people developers. I want to move back to important directory. If I want to go back one folder to people directory, I can use cd and 2 dots. This means go up one level. But what if I want to go up 2 levels to directory important directory? I can use cd 2 dots slash and another 2 dots. This means go up 2 levels. And another thing, you can also just go straight to a folder by typing its full path, like cd people slash developers. And now I am in this folder. In the next video we will talk about processes and another interesting things. Have a good day, thank you for your time, goodbye.